Hello everyone, my name's Jack Sorrell, and today I'm going to show you how to play NES games on your Nintendo 3DS. Going by the poll in last week's video, it's safe to say that this video is the one for you. In this video, I'll show you how to install my favourite NES emulator through Homebrew. And of course, Homebrew is required. If you don't have Homebrew though, don't worry. Click the I to watch my free Homebrew installation guide, then return to this video. This video is quite easy. If you need some help though, feel free to ask on my Discord server. The link to that is down below. And by the way, my new Nintendo 3DS XL giveaway is now closed. I'll be announcing the results next week on Twitter first, then a few hours later in a video. Before we get started, it's time to shout out our Patreon supporters. For this month, we have Alexander1, Boxfish, and our new patron, Christian. So a huge shout out and thank you to them. But now, let's get started. And remember to leave a like on this video if it helped you out. First of all, head over to your PC, and in your browser's URL bar, type in 3ds.console.guide and you'll be taken right to my 3DS page on my website. Scroll down to this video, then click download app, and it will take you to this Google Drive page. Save the zip folder to your desktop, then extract it. You'll find this Homebrew app file inside. Now open up your 3DS's SD card, then navigate to the 3DS folder. Then copy the Homebrew app to the 3DS folder on the SD card. Once you've done that, make a new folder on the root of the card and rename it to NES Games. And then put your NES games in the NES Games folder. I have some down here, so I'll just drag and drop it into the NES Games folder. Once you've done all that, eject the SD card and put it back into your 3DS. You can also delete these files from your desktop, you won't need these anymore. Now on your 3DS, open up the Homebrew launcher. And now you should see this new Homebrew app in your Homebrew launcher. This is the NES emulator we're going to be using. To run the Homebrew app, just tap it. And we're in. To find your NES Games folder, just press A, then navigate to the folder NES Games. And here's the games I installed earlier in the video. To play the game, simply select one, then press A to open it. And that's it. Now you know how to play NES games on your Nintendo 3DS through Homebrew. Almost every game I've tried works great, apart from Kirby's Adventure. That one runs quite slow. I haven't noticed any visual lag or input lag. Overall, it works very well. Keep in mind that if you use an old 2DS or old 3DS, the performance may not be as good. One thing I see, which makes this emulator stand out from the rest, is that it has great menus. There's a nice smooth animation between columns, and there's lots of settings too. One more issue I've noticed is that the exit button doesn't work. To exit the emulator, you'll have to press the power button to turn off your console, then turn it back on again. To change your game, simply enter the menu, then press L to scroll along to select ROM, then choose your game from there. And that's pretty much all you need to know. But before I go, make sure to vote in the poll on which 3DS Homebrew video you want to see next. I make Homebrew videos like this all the time, so I should get to your suggestion eventually. Well, that's all for today. My name's Jack Sorrell, and I'll see you next Sunday with a brand new video.